Here I have a system of 3 equations and 3 variables, and the numbers are a little bit bigger, so I'm a little concerned that I might need a calculator, but you know, I'm gonna hope for the best. We'll start it out and see if we need to use our calculator. I don't think we're gonna have too much trouble. We want to eliminate one of the variables. So I need to pick 2 equations and pick a variable to eliminate. I am looking at the z's. I'm thinking it would be really nice to eliminate the z's. Now the numbers may get a little bit big, but that's what I'm going to do. So I think I'm going to start with equation 1 and equation 2. Let's start with equation 1 and equation 2. We have 4x minus 3y plus 2z equals 40. And 5x plus 9y minus 7z equals 47. And I'm eliminating z. So I'm going to have to multiply the first equation by 7 and the second equation by 2. Equation 1 is going to become 28x minus 21y plus 14z equals 280. Equation 2 is going to become 10x plus 18y minus 14z equals 94. I add these 2 equations together and I get 38x minus 3y equals 374. This is a new equation 4. It only has 2 variables, so it is now a new equation. I'm going to call it equation 4. I need to eliminate z again. So I need to pick 2 different equations. I already picked 1 and 2. Now I'm going to pick 1 and 3. I'm going to pick 1 and 3 because the 2 and the negative 3, it looks like that would be easier than the negative 7 and the negative 3. So we'll pick equation 1 and equation 3. 9x plus 8y minus 3z equals 97. We're going to multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 2. So number 1 becomes 12x minus 9y plus 6z equals 120. And equation 3 becomes 18x plus 16y minus 6z equals 14194. So far I haven't had to pick up a calculator. So far so good. 30x plus, that would be a 7y equals 314. And that is a new equation 5. I might need to pick up my calculator here because I have to take equation 4, 38x minus 3y equals 374. It's that 374 that's a big number. And I have to combine it with equation 5, which is 30x plus 7y equals 314. This is going to require me to multiply equation 4 by a 7 and equation 5 by 3. So the new equation 4 becomes 38 times 7. I believe that's 266. Let's see, 56, 21 and 5. It is. It's 266x minus 21y equals 374 times 7. It's okay to take out your calculator if you need to. 374 times 7. That's going to be an 8, and then a 1, 26, so 2618. And definitely check my numbers. You have your calculator there to the side. Make sure 314 times 3, I'm sorry, 374 times 7 is 2,618. The next one's going to be a little bit easier. We've got 90x plus 21y equals, this is 12, 4, and 9, 942. We're going to add those together. I'm going to get 356x equals 10, 6, 5, 3, 15, carry it, 3. Ah, that works out very nicely. So finally that works out. If you struggled with some of that multiplication, don't be afraid to take out your calculator and do the multiplication off to the side. Don't risk it like I did. We get x equals 10. So far I have x equals 10. If I'm writing this in an ordered triple, my first value is 10. Now I can take that 10 and I can plug it into one of the other two equations. I'm going to go to my right this time, just to do something different. 30 times 10 plus 7y equals 314. 30 times 10 is 300. If I subtract 300 from both sides, I get 7y equals 14, y equals 2. So x equals 10, y equals 2, working out very nicely, very, very, very nicely. Now we've got y equals 2, x equals 10. We can plug that into one of the original equations. I really like number 1 because the numbers are smaller. I like that 40. It's going to make things easier to work with. So I am going to use number 1 again. So 4x minus 3y plus 2z equals 40. We're going to put that 10 in for x. We'll put 2 in for y. And hopefully this will be a nice number that doesn't cause us a problem. 40 minus 6 is 34. That could cause me a problem. I'm not real good with subtraction. Subtract 34 from both sides. 2z equals 6. Z equals 3. Z equals 3. So some answers might show just a list of what the solutions are, and others are going to show that ordered triple.